So it's the same day as I just left you off in the last vlog. It might be out a day later. Editing's taking some time, partly because I'm enjoying watching it, so I keep on going over it to watch it. But yeah, we got Ronnie coming back down and my mate Liam coming down with his MX-5. The exhaust that we took off the old MX-5 hopefully will fit on his. Bloody hell, man, that's rammed. Who says an MX-5 isn't practical, mate? Yeah, very exactly. Ooh, that door handle's smooth, mate. Oh, that is a smooth door handle, man. Lovely. Bloody hell. This is worse than my Civic, mate. I'm literally sitting on the floor in this one.
Is he gonna do a wheel spin?
No, he's not. Oh, as if he's
Are you joking?
As if where you going?
What are you doing?
Just go straight, it's cool.
Okay.
We'll be into it, man. Oh no, I was filming as well, but oh. I don't know. I think
No, we forgot. Bolts.
you got bolts as well.
I told you about the bolts, man.
So what? We ain't got nothing.
Oh mate, he's saying one for day.
So no bolts, no angle grinder. That's how you know we should be sponsored, mate. It's like the 4th vlog in a row, mate. We've had through the chicken, not even joking. Bloody Mazda's got wet, mate. Our seats, mate. Our seats.
Cut it, bitch.
Ready? Yeah. So we have managed to
do fuck all.
accomplish nothing. Literally.
Yeah,
there you go, mate. Sort of floating back box, mate. Strain your wheels, That's it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, there you go.
See you later.
See you later, man.
Oh no! Oh mate!
Don't break my window.
Huh? Oh.
You look rather comfortable.
Oh mate!
We're all good. Now, this is a sign of getting old, isn't it? Are you filming that?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, I got cramp and then hit that on my hip and then fucking smashed the window. Is the window alright?
There you go, mate. Yeah.
Jesus.
Rolling shots. This is what I think of his rolling shots. Here comes the slow Subaru. So Sean's got this lovely new motor. He's just bought this new Subaru. It's perfect condition. Back bumper's never been damaged. That's a good car. Whoops. Oh, the handbrake's shit. We discovered that. The car's really good, isn't it? It's nice.
Yeah, can you watch me back? I can't see out the mirrors now. I need to adjust it.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, keep going. You stalled it? Yeah, go on, mate. You got loads of them. Keep going. Keep going. You got about 2 feet. Yeah, keep going. No, loads of them. Oh.
What's that, the curb?
Yeah, no, keep going. It's fine, mate. Don't worry. Didn't damage anything. Oh, fuck. Yeah, no, that's the car, that. Yeah, be careful. That bumper was really good.
We just bought a Subaru and it's an estate as well. Although to be honest, it's pretty pointless being an estate because there's no room in the back anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot, it comes with you know
some shitty exhaust. You seen the welds, mate?
50 horsepower exhaust, mate.
Look at that, what the fuck's... Oh, he's welded a spark plug to it, mate.
Yes! Yes! Wait, no, we need
It ain't got a decat, so it's not really going to make too much fucking difference.
Do you not think?
No.
That'd be sick, mate. Can you imagine?
What What have they done?
We should have looked at this and just took the piss out of it. Oh, that's top quality. I like the welds, man. It's quality. What's it, blew a hole through the exhaust so they thought they'd weld it
I
up?
know, what was... Maybe they're going for twin spark, mate.
Yeah, fucking, we got a BMW. This is the business right here, man.
Yeah, just fucking buy estates for no reason. Just keep buying them.
Yeah, we didn't really need this one because it was an estate, because it was pointless anyway, mate.
Just buy it because it was a Subaru.
Let's see if there's enough room to make that.
You need to buy another one.
Yeah, I think we should buy another one, mate. I don't know. If I put the front seat forward, you could sleep in it.
Nah, that's buy another one.
That was the cheapest cup holder I've ever seen in my life, mate. How many miles we got on this beast?
Only 147, mate. Barely worn in for a Subaru.
I don't think there's a Subaru alive that's done
It's the original engine, mate. It's probably on its fifth.
You know. He said, do you want the spare locking nuts? And there's a whole set of full wheel nuts and a locking nut, yeah. And I said, nah. Do you know why? Because I really couldn't bother to hear him talk, mate. How long was I waiting there when you got back in your car, mate? Gee, I was literally like, oh right.
I swear you went to the passenger seat.
Oh my god, I was like, oh, so what, you just press this to connect the Bluetooth, yeah, saw it. And he was like, oh no, I'll come round and show you. I was like, oh, no. Oh mate. But to be fair, he was a nice bloke. But
It was a nice bloke.
I'm surprised he didn't take the 550, mate. Jesus. But then again, I did bargain him down already, fucking 70
See his
quid.
fucking attitude change, mate. Like, nope. Mate, pissed him right off.
Did it? It did, didn't it? Oh,
He should
mate.
have gone. Tell you what, mate. I give you $5.79.
Yeah. 579, I'll take a one. Right now, tell you to talk to me. What did you say about the clutch?
Smart, mate.
Good thing I've got my seatbelt on, mate. Give me whiplash. What is this? You'd think we was doing about 100 miles an hour. Can't see anything, mate. It's like it's got it like remapped, it's running a little bit richer.
Yeah.
But it doesn't really sound remapped. Doesn't really sound that great at all, to be honest. Who is it? You have to buy it in there? Do you actually?
I think so, yeah.
So fucking coronavirus and we have to go inside to fill up the fucking tyres, mate.
Can't trust us. Don't want to nick the air now, do we?
All the water, mate. In fact, I need a drink anyway. Wait.
Alright, got me a ticket for some oxygen.
What's that? Ticket for some oxygen?
Got some ticket for me oxygen. Yeah, I'm fucking photo fresh. So
Was it CO2?
laminating that, sticking it in the
50p, mate. That's how you know out of London, where you can literally leave the car running, go over to the petrol station, get a drink, mate, and come back and it's still here.
Right. Correct pressure. I do, mate. Black tyre.
Oh shit! What the fuck is that all about, mate? Ah, I got wet feet.
How much you got?
How much is in there?
15!
15?
Oh yeah, you pump your tyres up regularly.
What? No, I only did that one. You didn't tell me they're all flat. You didn't fucking tell me they're all flat, mate.
My head for 7 days. You know what you're getting for your birthday,
Oh,
mate?
mate. Who goes into the petrol station and goes, oh, I might need fucking air in 7 days? I might have to pre-buy it,
As a
mate.
gift for their birthday, mate. Here's absolutely.
Yeah. Here's 2 tickets of air. Treat yourself. Best place for stuff like this, but just remember, if there's a barrier, get behind it, stay as safe as you can. Don't want anyone getting crushed out here. This is our this is our mate's private little drift circuit track thing in Mexico. You know what I mean? Oh, that sounds horrendous. Oh, that sounds absolutely fucking horrendous.
Alright, try this, right? So go straight, and then So come like in the middle, turn left, hard right, and then clutch kick, and you sort of flick it like Scandinavian flick. This is why you shouldn't try and drift a standard car.
That's definitely what you meant.
Huh?
That's definitely not what you meant.
Oh, it's like you're getting agitated, it's hilarious.
I got fully agitated then.
Yeah, there's a shit ton of smoke.
Huh?
Loads of smoke coming from your tyre. Watch kick it. Like, do like 4 circles. Oh mate, it sounds fucked. That was a bit of a gravel assist right there.
Yeah, that wasn't it. Well, drift lesson part 1 over. And that right there is the end of the fucking vlog, man. Peace.